welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, then I'm so happy to meet you. I am so happy to be finally uploading episode 2 of my Get Healthy With Me series. I'm so sorry it's a week later than expected. As you guys know, I had a week off last week just to feel back to my normal happy self. So going forward, these episodes will be uploaded weekly for you guys. I'm going to be asking you over on Instagram what you would like to see each week. So if you would like to get involved, then pop over to my Instagram. So I'm just about to head off to the gym, hence why I look like this. I just thought I'd pop on to say hey and kind of introduce what's to come in this video. And also to remind you to pause the video, get comfy, get your healthy snacks, seeing as it's a healthy kind of video, your favourite drinks, and you may also want a pen and paper as well if you are looking to make any of these meals to make notes. In today's video, I have included 5 of my like go-to meals that I will eat on a regular basis. These are like my weekday meals. They're really quick, really easy, and everything I'm going to show you today relates to my weekly Aldi food shop. So I'm going to link that on screen somewhere now. I'll also link it in the description box below. But basically I thought it'd be a little bit pointless showing you a food shopping haul without showing you what meals you can make with the food. So this is in relation to that. So like I said, I've included 5 healthy meals. Next week, I think I'm going to do the same video as this, but 5 more healthy meals because I've got loads, but I didn't want this video to go on forever and ever, so I thought I'd break it down into a few parts. But I was thinking for the next few weeks, so next week we could do another 5 healthy, easy meals. Maybe the week after that we could do 5 healthy breakfasts, and the week after that we could do 5 healthy snack ideas. Excuse me! Tilly, you know you're not allowed up there, and I can see you. So naughty. You guys could do me a huge favour and let me know in the comments box below whether you liked this style of video or not. Be completely honest, so then I know whether to film the same kind of video for next week, if that makes sense. So yeah, I think that's all I had to say. Just a little ramble there. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoy the video. So the first healthy meal I'm going to show you, you already know, it's my healthy chicken fajitas. If you watch any of my vlogs, you will know I have this once or twice a week. It's the perfect dinner if you are going out and you don't really want to have to supervise it. Like, you can chuck it all in the oven and leave it on a low heat for so long. You can go up and have a bath, you can go to the gym, you can go out. It's a really easy dinner and it's super yummy. So I'm just going to go through the ingredients and then I'm going to put a cute little time lapse on with some music so you can see how I make it. But if you would like a section like of the ingredients written down, I'm going to write them in the description box below, so be sure to check that out too. So all you need is a pack of mixed peppers. I usually just go for the 3-pack from Aldi. I get all my fajita seasoning from, I think it's from B&M, it was like 39p. I always get the medium heat one just because I don't like anything too spicy. Then you need 1 medium-sized red onion, and then I've got 3 chicken breasts here. These have actually been in the freezer because I buy a big pack of chicken breasts from the butcher, so I usually end up freezing a few of them. So there's 3 chicken breasts here. This would make about 3 portions, so you can kind of judge how much you're going to need. If you want to do it for 4 or 5 people, you may need a few more peppers, another chicken breast, but I would say this will do about 3 medium-sized portions. I'm then going to make some of my homemade guacamole. I'm a little bit annoyed because I didn't have any fresh lemon juice. So I would usually use fresh lemons or limes, but I'm going to have to settle for this. So this is good to keep in your fridge just in case you are out of fresh lemons and fresh limes. So for the homemade guacamole, I've just got a super ripe avocado. You need to make sure it's like squishy ripe or it's not going to go into your guacamole. A few cherry tomatoes, some crushed chilies and some lemon juice. So I'm going to go ahead and make that now. And then obviously got some cheese to go on the top. I always get the light cheese from Aldi. Oh my gosh, almost forgot the most important ingredient. So with all your fajita mix, you're going to need just some plain chopped tomatoes. These are also from Aldi. This creates the sauce. So you're going to see how I do everything in a moment. Pretty much for my dinner tonight, I'm going to have a bowl of the chicken fajita mixture with the peppers and onions and all of that kind of stuff. A big serving of guacamole and then cheese over the top. It's delicious. You could also have salad with this. You could have some broccoli with this. You could have rice. You could have jacket potato. You could have pretty much anything you want, but I want to have a low carb dinner, so that is what I'm going to have.
know where the saucers go to get all cleaned up and put away. Call it a day. Call it a day. Call it a day. Call it a day. Call it a day.
So another one of my favourite meals that I wanted to show you, I'm actually having this for lunch, but you could have it for dinner. One of the quickest meals ever. So I've got a packet of these Mediterranean vegetables from Aldi. I'm going to be using half of this. You can cook it in the oven. I am going to do mine in the pan just because it's quick. And then these are one of my favourites, and they're the tuna steaks from Aldi. You can find them in the frozen section. I'm going to link below my weekly Aldi food shop if you would like to see what I buy. But this was part of this week's food shop. So literally, I'm just going to have 2 of these because I'm quite hungry. I'm going to put them in a pan with a little bit of fry light. This literally takes about 5 minutes to cook. Just keep turning them over. And then I'm going to throw in the pan half of this packet of vegetables, and that's a super quick, easy meal. You could also have some boiled eggs with it. You could have it with salad. You could have any kind of veg. If you were super hungry, you could have a jacket potato. So that is another one of my favourite really quick meals.
We've been acting out for days, nothing to deny. Blown up because it goes through the halls. You keep sleeping on the couch just to prove the point. I'm too proud to tell you when I'm wrong. Arguments spinning in circles, we're fighting for days, stuck in a phase. I think we're losing the reason. One word is all it takes, babe. Bursting out in cold flames. Breathing, we are catching fire. Thought that we were wiser. Go and let them.
Dinner tonight, my darlings, is a very typical Saturday night dinner. So I just thought I'd show you the chicken that we get from the butchers. It's this one. We do usually get the bigger pack one. I think it's £28, but you can get ones. This is a medium size. Then there's a smaller one that's £10 and a bigger one that's £30. But they only had these ones in today. This is the best chicken I've ever had. It's from ABC Meats. I would highly recommend like getting it from a butcher's if you can. So I'm going to cook 2 of these in one of these bag and bakes. I got this from the Co-op. Oh my gosh, they're so nice. I've tried these before where they're really, really salty. Really haven't liked the taste of them. I don't like anything too salty. But this is so nice, and it tastes exactly like Nando's chicken, believe it or not. And with that, I also just pop some lemon in there. So I'll open up the bag, put the chicken breasts in, and then I'll squeeze a little bit of extra lemon on there. With that, I'm going to do some roasted vegetables. So what I'll do is I'll put this in the oven in a little tray for about 45 minutes. Then I'll put these in for 45 minutes. I'll just cook this on a very low heat. Because they're quite big breasts, they need quite a long time in the oven. If you want a quicker dinner, you can always like cut them in half or cut them in bits and put them in the oven so they don't take as long. And then I'm going to have some halloumi. So what I do with this is I just cut it into slices and I grill it. I never oven bake halloumi because it goes soggy. So with this, I'd probably cut this into 7 bits. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, into 7 like quite thick slices. I put them on a baking tray and put them in the grill for about 10-15 minutes until it's like quite crispy on each side. You do need to give it quite a while, and it's like delicious. I'm going to show you is the easiest meal on planet Earth. You can have this for breakfast, you can have it for lunch, or you can have it for dinner. I mix it up quite a lot. This is often a meal that I'll have before the gym, or I'll have it on a night where I want to have a really low carb meal. So basically, I'm going to make an omelette with some ham, cheese and onion. You can put pretty much anything in this. You could put tomatoes in it, you could put broccoli in it, but tomatoes kind of annoy me in omelettes because they stay hot for so long. Now, if you're going to make an omelette, I would invest in one of these pans. I think this one was from B&M and it was about £12, but it's so worth having a good pan. There's nothing worse than making an omelette in it like sticking, and then when you try and get it up, it all falls apart. Like, that is the worst. So I usually have 3 whole eggs. I whisk them up in a bowl, put some milk in there. Then I cut up my onion in really tiny little cubes. I cut up about 3 slices of ham, and then I will use 3 of these, and luckily there's 3 left. These are so much better for you than like actual cheese. Like, they're a lot lower in fat, and they're lower in calories, and I find these go like really creamy. Like, they almost stay in little chunks in your omelette, so when you're eating your omelette you get like little chunks of cheese, which is really nice, because I find when you put normal cheese in an omelette it almost loses its flavour. Does that make sense? I whisk up my eggs, pop them into my pan with a little bit of fry light just to make sure it doesn't stick. Leave it in there until the underneath is like browned, is that a word? I don't know, until it's like golden brown. And then I'll pop it in the grill for about 5 minutes. The grill makes it like rise and go really fluffy. So if you make an omelette at the moment, you don't put it in the grill, I would say pop it in the grill to make it go super fluffy.
Stop. If I should fall, just go ahead, go and catch me, baby.
Now I've put it on the plate. It's looking rather sad, but I promise it's really nice. Like I said, you could have some salad and stuff with this, but I don't actually have any, and I'm not overly hungry, so for now I'm just gonna have the omelette. But this cheese is so nice inside because it stays like really soft. Another one of the world's quickest dinners. Now this is slightly a little bit boring. I wasn't sure if I was actually gonna put this on the video, but I thought it was worth showing you guys. So as you know, I love these baked potatoes from Aldi. They're in the frozen section. They take like 4 minutes in the microwave. They're so quick. If I've just come home from the gym and I'm hungry and I want something really quick and really easy, this is what I will have. So I'll have one of these jacket potatoes, a can of tuna. I always buy the one in brine, one in sunflower oil. It actually like doubles the calories per can, which is quite a lot for a bit of oil. And then I'll mix the tuna with a little bit of the light mayonnaise from Aldi. I do prefer the Heinz one, but I just grabbed this from Aldi. I mean, it's kind of as nice, but you know when you just like your branded mayo, that's me. So yeah, with this meal you could add maybe some sweet corn, you could have some salad, you could have beans, you could have cheese, you could add as much as you like, but this is just a super quick, easy meal if you're in a rush, you've had a long day at work, you want to do something quick for the kids or whatever. I felt like this was worth showing you guys, just something really quick and easy that I make.
My phone, yeah. 3 o'clock in the morning. We've been going and going back and forth cause we don't know better. And I thought we'd be different. Yeah, we were on to some good shit.
So that is the end of episode 2 of my Get Healthy With Me series. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to let me know in the comments box below. If you would like to get involved with the next episodes, don't forget to pop over to my Instagram. This week, so I've got another video on Thursday and Sunday. Next week's episode will either be on Tuesday or Thursday. I'm not entirely sure yet. Sunday's video is going to be one of my favourites, which is spend a few days with me. I'm looking forward to sitting down and just having a little catch up with you guys. I feel like I can't do that in these kind of videos, so I'm excited to see you on Sunday. Sunday. Thursday's video is going to be a fun little video, which I know you guys will love. So I hope you're all well. I hope you're having a fab week so far. Love you all so much, and I'll see you on Thursday. Bye.
But I get up, I always do.